Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to measure blood oxygen manually on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, we need to strap our watch here. Now this is a very tight strap, I can't even move it forward anymore. But here, what we need to do is we need to go over and open up our apps. So here we're gonna scroll down until we see blood oxygen, and here we can start a test by tapping on this button. Now we have to remain still, so this takes 30 seconds, and I'll see you guys once it's over. So we got our results. My blood oxygen is 98%. I did another test and it was 99. So as you guys can see here, we have the real time, and yeah, it's just dropping now, but here you guys can check it, and that's how you guys can check it manually. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.